Electric bikes aren't just a trend anymore. They become a smart, reliable way to get around. With fuel prices climbing and city traffic showing no signs of slowing down, more riders are turning to e-bikes for daily commutes, weekend rides, and everything in between. And in 2025, the choices are better than ever, with more range, better design, and smarter features. In this video, we've rounded up the top 6 electric bikes for different needs, budgets, and lifestyles. Whether you're commuting, cruising, or just getting started, we've got you covered. Links to each product are in the description below. Number 6. Jasion EB5. If you're looking for an electric bike that gets the job done without pushing your budget, the Jasion EB5 is a solid place to start. It's built with new riders and everyday commuters in mind, offering just enough power and features to make short trips easier without overwhelming you with extras. This bike runs on a 350-watt rear hub motor that tops out around 20 miles per hour, which is right in the sweet spot for city streets or bike lanes. The 360-watt-hour battery gives you anywhere from 25 to 40 miles per charge, depending on how much pedal assist you use. So whether you're riding to work, heading to class, or just cruising through town, the EB5 keeps things simple and smooth. The 7-speed Shimano drivetrain is a nice touch for casual gear changes, and the mechanical disc brakes help keep you in control. At just under 49 pounds, the aluminum frame is light enough to carry up a few steps or load into the back of a car if needed. It also comes with an LCD display, integrated headlight, and rear rack mounts which add real day-to-day usability. That said, this isn't the bike for tackling steep hills or going long distances on a single charge. But for quick errands, campus rides, or first-time e-bike users, the Jasion EB5 offers solid value without overcomplicating things. Number 5. Engwe M20 2.0. The Engwe M20 2.0 isn't trying to blend in. With its bold, retro-inspired motorcycle frame and dual headlights, this is an electric bike that makes a statement and backs it up with serious performance. It's built for riders who want more power, more battery, and the freedom to go beyond paved streets. Under the hood, you'll find a 750-watt motor that peaks at around 1,000 watts, giving it the kind of torque you need for hills, gravel paths, or just quicker takeoffs from a stoplight. Paired with dual 48-volt 13-amp-hour batteries, the M20 2.0 can reach up to 75 miles of range depending on riding style and terrain. It's not just about distance, it's about the ability to go where other bikes might hesitate. The fat 20 by 4-inch tires and front suspension fork work together to smooth out potholes, curbs, and light off-road trails. Whether you're weaving through traffic or cruising down a fire road, it handles bumps with confidence. You also get an LCD screen with speed, battery, and pedal assist info right at your fingertips. Of course, all that rugged build comes with weight. The M20 2.0 tips the scale at 77 pounds, which makes it tough to carry or haul upstairs. But if you're looking for a head-turning ride with all-terrain capability and extended range, this one easily earns its spot. Number 4. Canyon Endurance ONfly. If your idea of a perfect ride involves long miles, smooth pavement, and just the right touch of assist, the Canyon Endurance ONfly is worth a serious look. It's built for road cyclists who want to keep their speed and rhythm with a little help on the hills or headwinds without giving up that classic road bike feel. At just around 27 pounds, this carbon frame e-bike is one of the lightest on the market. The MOL X20 rear hub motor is compact and nearly silent, delivering a smooth and natural boost that never feels overpowering. It pairs with a 250-watt-hour battery that's seamlessly built into the frame, giving you about 50 to 60 miles of range if you're smart with your power settings. From a distance, you barely know this was an e-bike. The design is sleek and minimal, with internal cable routing and an integrated cockpit that boosts aerodynamics and rider comfort. It comes equipped with Shimano 105 mechanical components, reliable disc brakes, and a road-ready geometry that encourages speed and endurance. There's no suspension here, which is typical for a true road bike. So if your routes involve potholes or gravel, this probably isn't the right fit. But on clean pavement, the Endurance ONfly delivers a responsive, connected ride, just with a little less sweat. Yes, it's priced on the higher end, but for those who care about performance, weight, and subtle integration, it makes a strong case. This is a road bike first and an e-bike second, in all the best ways. Number 3. WAU Bike. If you're commuting through the city and want more than just pedals and power, the WAU Bike brings smart features and solid range into one connected package. Designed in the UK, this bike focuses on security, battery life, and daily practicality, with tech that actually makes a difference. Depending on where you live, the WAU Bike comes with either a 250-watt or 750-watt motor, both offering enough punch for urban streets and moderate inclines. But the real standout is the battery. With an upgraded 1000 watt-hour option, you can get up to 100 miles of range on a single charge, one of the highest in its class. It also includes a built-in GPS tracker, anti-theft motion sensor, and an alarm system that you can monitor through a mobile app. If someone even touches the bike without authorization, you'll know instantly. The frame-integrated lights draw power directly from the main battery, and there's a USB port to charge your phone or other small devices on the go. The battery is fully sealed inside the waterproof frame, keeping the profile clean and protected from rain. Everything feels solid and thoughtfully placed, though it does add to the weight. Depending on the model, you're looking at about 55 to 65 pounds. And once you start adding upgraded components or more battery, the price starts creeping up quickly. Still, for city riders who value both performance and peace of mind, the WAU Bike hits a sweet spot between smart features and daily rideability. It's not just a commuter bike, it's a commuter solution. Number 2. Ride1Up Roadster V3. For riders who want an e-bike that doesn't look like one, the Ride1Up Roadster V3 nails the minimalist approach. It's built for clean commuting. No cables sticking out, no bulky battery packs, and no extra fuss. Just a sleek, simple frame that quietly gets the job done. This single-speed belt-drive bike weighs in at just 33 pounds, incredibly light for a fully electric ride. It uses a 350-watt rear hub motor and a 36-volt 10.4 amp-hour battery tucked inside the down tube, giving you around 25 to 40 miles of range, depending on terrain and assist level. There's no throttle here, it's pedal assist only, and no gears either. But for flat city routes, that's often all you really need. The belt drive keeps things quiet and low maintenance. There's no chain to lube, no derailleur to tune, and far less mess after a rainy ride. It also makes the bike almost silent in motion, which fits the low-profile style. A small, integrated display on the top tube gives you speed, assist level, and battery readout without cluttering the handlebars. Ride1Up also offers a gravel version with wider tires if your commute involves rough pavement or unpaved shortcuts. That said, the V3 isn't built for hills. The single-speed setup limits its climbing ability, and the lack of a throttle means you'll need to put in some effort on steeper streets. But for flat urban commuting, it's tough to beat. Lightweight, quiet, and designed with simplicity in mind, the Roadster V3 is ideal for anyone who wants an e-bike that just works and doesn't draw attention while doing it. Number 1. Specialized Turbo Vado 5.0. When it comes to a complete premium e-bike experience, a Specialized Turbo Vado 5.0 stands at the top of the list. Built for performance, comfort, and long-distance versatility, this is the kind of bike that makes daily rides and longer weekend outings feel effortless. At its core is a 250-watt specialized mid-drive motor that delivers up to 90 Nm of torque, making hills and heavy loads feel almost weightless. The 710-watt-hour battery is neatly integrated into the down tube and offers up to 75 miles of range, depending on terrain and riding style. And it's not just the range that impresses. The way power is delivered feels incredibly natural, like an invisible push that responds intuitively to your pedaling. Up front, there's a suspension fork and suspension seat-post, giving you comfort over rough roads or extended rides. It's paired with a Shimano XT12 speed drivetrain and hydraulic disc brakes for precision shifting and dependable stopping power. Full fenders, a rear rack, and integrated lights come standard, so it's ready for commuting or touring right out of the box. One standout feature is the integrated touchscreen display, which connects to Specialized app for GPS tracking, ride customization, and anti-theft features. It's a smart system that gives you control without adding clutter. At around 59 pounds, it's not the lightest bike on the market, and the premium components do come at a higher price. But for riders who want reliability, comfort, and tech-forward features in one refined package, the Turbo Vado 5.0 delivers across the board. That wraps up our list of the top 6 electric bikes for 2025. Whether you're after something lightweight, built for distance, or packed with features, there's something here for every kind of rider. If one of these bikes caught your eye, let us know which one you pick in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. All the bikes we mentioned are linked in the description, so check those out if you want more details. See you next time.